Hi, my name is Kanticha. So today I'm gonna make a pad krapao with dry basil. Today let's look at our ingredients. We have dry chili, garlic, a pork of your choice, but mine is minced pork, and oyster sauce, fish sauce, oil, by krapao or basil, and soy sauce. So let's get into our cooking. At first I'm gonna start putting the dry chili into the mortar and the garlic and pound it. Until it look like this. Then put it in a bowl. Heat up our pan. Make it a little bit hot. And put in a little bit of oil. Mix it all over the pan. Wait till it's a little bit hot, and then we put in the dry chili and garlic that we already pounded at first. And you smell the nice smell of it, and put in the pork. You can put in a little bit of water if it's getting too dry. When it's cooked, time for seasoning. I'll put in the fish sauce first. Make sure you put it in the side of the pan so it will have the cooked stuff. Next one, I'm going to put in the sugar. Soy sauce and the oyster sauce. And in the end, we put in the pad krapao or our basil. And here's done. Take up the bread. Here we got our dry chili krapao. If you like the spicy food with a little bit of spicy, sweetened, and a little bit of saltiness, food kind of like that, you should try Italian pad krapao. Thank you.
Alright, so let's get into our basic cuttings.
Getting started with the fine julienne. nice, beautiful, fine julienne right here. Next one, I'm gonna do fine brunoise. And Bruno like this. Next one I'm gonna be doing is a julienne. And you got a nice julienne right here. Next one, I'm gonna do a brunoise. Our brunoise. Next one, the batternut. Got our batternut. Next one, small cube. We got a small cube. For the next one, it's gonna be a little bit bigger, and is a medium cube. Medium cube. So let's get into a large cube. Here, the big cube. Get into a sharp onion. Our nicely chopped onion. For the next one is a dice. And here our nice diced onion. And here we got all the basic cutting.